Everybody check it out. Here we've got the Chicago Electric. It's the variable speed oscillating multi-purpose tool. You can see here it comes with a couple tools with it. Sand cut, scrape. Kind of wanted one of these for doing little odd, hard to reach little jobs, and it was on sale, 25 bucks. Figured whatever, we'll give it a shot, see how it lasts. So here we go. Here's what's in the box. Here was the item number 63113 on this one. Got your manual. Here's a bag of your tools and parts. We'll open that up in a second. And the tool. That's all that's in the box. Take this out. Here's what the head of that thing looks like. It's just kind of like that. Your switch. You have your adjustable speeds here on the back. And your standard plug-in. Pretty simple tool. Actually feels really nice in your hands. So there's that for all of the accessories. Got a spare set of brushes. Well, that's pretty cool. You got your little, either your little cutter tools of some sort. You can see it's got, let me get it out of here. It's got edge on it, pretty sharp cutter edge on it. This one here has nothing on it. It is just, yeah, it's just kind of a scraper. It's got a, you can see a little bit of the edge on her there, but it's not serrated or whatever like that other one is. You've got obviously a big Allen tool, which I would assume is for this here. This is how you're going to keep all those pieces on. So this washer's got a funky dish to it, so I'm not sure what the key is to that yet. Then you've got your little sanding pad. Got kind of Velcro on there. You got two 60s. Oh, you got a 60 and an 80 grit sandpaper. Just sticks right on there. There you go. So there's that. Let's see how the manual says to put the tool bits on. Let me see here. Not too much in this manual. Uses, blah blah blah. There you can see kind of how the tool goes on. So, and it says on there specifically what you can use it for. Looks like my battery's dying. Be right back. Okay, so we were putting this on. So it looks, according to the manual, like it should step down, like so. And I'm going to put the washer on so it cones down. So you can loosen that and adjust it to any angle. Okay. Let's push on it till it locks. Go. Ready to cut something. I should grab something and see how this works on doing a little cutting. I've got a little drywall in the other room that I put up last year, and I've got some stuff. I need to cut a hole in the roof to access kind of the attic and little stuff like that, and I was hoping something like this would be good for kind of cutting along, something more so like this probably for cutting along some drywall maybe. I don't know. Let me go find something to cut. I'll be right back. Okay, we've got it plugged in. We'll put it on. Here's the lowest speed. 1. I'm going to crank it all the way up to high. Cut wood. That's pretty cool. Makes a little mess though. I'm gonna have to clean this up before the wife gets home. Let's try some PVC. I don't know if I need to set it on something maybe. Well, you just seen it. I could do it one-handed. It's kind of awkward one-handed, but it does work. So we'll see how long it lasts. That thing's going to cut drywall like there's no tomorrow. Alright guys, well, there's my initial rundown of the little vibrator tool. So make sure you give me a thumbs up, make sure you subscribe, make sure you come back for more.